Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys in class today. Here we learn and have fun, and I know you do love fun. If you do, I want to hear you scream. Today we will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. As a reminder, if you have not watched my previous video, do well to watch, like and subscribe. Now let's look at the first question. We were given 458 times 32. 458 has 3 digits. It has digit 4, digit 5, and digit 8. 32 has only 2 digits. It has digit 3 and digit 2. That means that 458 has more digits than 32. The number with more digits should be written at the top. So you write 458 at the top. Then you put 32 at the bottom. 3 under 5, 2 under 8. You write your times, then you draw the line. Now, these two that I circled, it has 3 friends at the top, and these are the 3 friends. So 2 will visit each of them. First, 2 will visit 8. That is what will make you do 2 times 8, which is 16. You write down 6, then you put 1 on top of 5. Then 2 will visit the second friend, which is 5, so you do 2 times 5, which is 10, plus the 1 on top, you have 11. You write down 1, you put 1 on 4, on top of 4. Then 2 will visit 4, that is why you will do 2 times 4, that gives you 8, plus the 1 on top, you have 9. Now, you go and erase the digits you wrote at the top. And then, 2 is done with its visit. It is time for 3 to also what? Pay a visit to those 3 friends I circled at the top. But before you use this 3 to multiply, what do you do first? You will have to put a 0 under 6 first. Now let's use 3 to multiply. 3 will visit 8. You do 3 times 8, which is 24. Write down 4. Put 2 on top of 5. Okay? Then 3 will visit the second friend, which is 5. You do 3 times 5, which is 15, plus the 2 on top. 15 plus 2 is what? 17. Write down 7. You put 1 on top of 4. Then 3 will visit 4. You do 3 times 4, which is 12, plus the 1 on top, you have 13. You write down the full 13 because 3 has visited all his friends. Then you add. Okay? 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now what is 9 plus 7? 9 plus 7 is 16. Write down 6. Put 1 on top of 3. The 1 that you put on top of 3 plus 3, you have 4. Then you write this 1 again. So the answer is 14,656. It's quite easy. Let's look at another question. Look at this one. Which number has more digits? 162 has 3 digits, while 98 has only 2 digits. So the number with more digits is the one I wrote at the top. Then I put 98 under. Then I multiply. Now you multiply by starting with 8. 8 will visit these 3 numbers I circled at the top. 8 will visit each of them. So 8 visits 2. You do 2 times 8, which is 16. You write down 6. You put 1 on top of that 6 at the top. 8 visits 6. You do 8 times 6, which is 48. Plus this 1 at the top, that gives you 49. Write down 9. Put 4 on top of this 1 at the top. Then finally 8 will visit 1. You do 8 times 1, which is 8, plus the 4 I wrote at the top, you have 12. You write down the full 12 because 8 has visited all its friends at the top. Before you use 9 to multiply, what do? You have to put a 0 here. Now 9 will visit all its friends at the top as well. So 9 will visit 2. You do 9 times 2, which is 18. Write down 8, put 1 on top of 6. Then 9 visits 6. You do 9 times 6, which is 54. Plus the 1 on top, you have 55. Write down 5, put 5 here. Then 9 visits 1. You do 9 times 1, which is 9, plus the 5 on top, plus this 5, you have 14. Write down the full 14 because 9 has visited all his friends at the top. Then you add 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8, you have 17. Write down 7, put 1 here. So this 1 plus 2, you have 3, plus 5, you have 8. Okay? Then you do 1 plus 4, which gives you 5. Then this 1 that I circled, you simply write it again. Then you put your comma. So that is 15,876 becomes the answer. Let's look at the next one. Look at this one. We have 625 times 32. 625 has 3 digits, 32 has 2 digits. The number with more digits should be written at the top, which is 625. Then 32 will be at the bottom, 3 under 2, 2 under 5. Then you multiply. 2 will visit these 3 numbers at the top. It will visit these 3 numbers at the top, okay? First, 2 will visit 5. You do 2 times 5. That gives you 10. You write down 0. You put 1 here on top of 2. 2 will visit 2. That gives you 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus this 1 at the top, you have 5. Then 2 visits 6. You do 2 times 6, which is 12. You write down the full 12 because 2 has visited all the numbers at the top. It's time for this 3 to also visit all the numbers at the top. But before you use 3, you have to put a 0 first. Now let's use 3. You do 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, you write down 5, you put 1 here. Then you do 3 times 2, which is 6, plus this 1 on top, you have 7. Then finally, you do 3 times 6, that gives 18. You write down the full 18 because 3 has visited all the numbers at the top. Then you add 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. Write down 0, put 1 here. 1 plus 2, you have 3. Plus 7, you have 10. Write down 0, put 1 here. 1 plus 1, you have 2. Plus 8, you have 10. Write down 0 again, then you put 1 on top of 1. Then you do 1 plus 1, you have 2. You write down your 2. So the answer is 20,000. It's as simple as that. All right, children, it's fun time. Now we have a mini competition. In this competition, boys will compete with girls, and at the end of the day, we have our winner. All right, this question is for boys. I want you guys to multiply 128 and 42. I hear a boy say that the answer is 5,376. Boys are absolutely correct, so they have 2 points. All right, we go to girls. Girls, are you ready? What if you were told to multiply 692 and 24? I hear a girl say that the answer is 16,608. A round of applause for her. Girls got it right. So girls has 2 points. Okay. We move on to the next question. Boys, this is for you. What is 192 times 56? I hear a boy say that the answer is 10,752. That is correct. Boys have 2 points. Clap for them. Now we quickly move to girls without wasting time. This question now is for you. What if you were given 269 times 49? I hear a girl say that the answer is 30,179. This is wrong. So girls have 0 points. Bonus to boys. Now I hear a boy say that the answer is 13,181. That is very correct. So boys have a bonus of 1 point. All right, here we've come to the end of this competition. Let's see who our champion for today is. Boys have a total of 5 points, while girls have a total of 2 points. As you can see, the champion for today are boys. Give a round of applause for boys. Alright, here we have come to the end of this lesson. I must confess, I really enjoyed myself. I had fun. I don't know about you. If you love my video, do well to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.